Hi, welcome to Simple Drinks. My name is Johnny. We are continuing our Christmas and holidays cocktail season. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Brandy Alexander. It's a very popular recipe, it's really easy to make, 3 ingredients only. It's sweet, creamy, very tasty, and without further ado, let's crack straight into it. So, to make a Brandy Alexander, we need brandy or cognac, dark creme de cacao, and some cream. We are going to start with brandy, 60 ml, 2 ounces. Followed by dark creme de cacao, 1 ounce, 30 ml. And I have here already pre-measured 1 ounce, 30 ml of cream. Now we need ice. And we are going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now we need a pre-filled glass. We have one here. Discard the ice. Now, you can strain it with a Houghton strainer or you can double strain it, your choice. If you don't like ice shards in your drink, you can double strain it. I'm just going to strain it directly in the glass. And we're going to garnish it with some grated nutmeg. That's it, ladies and gents. Brandy Alexander. Cheers! Delicious, perfect, rich, creamy, tasty. You can taste chocolate, it's sweet. This is a beautiful dessert in a glass. So that's it, ladies and gents, we made a Brandy Alexander. Yeah, fun fact, Brandy Alexander is actually a variation of the cocktail called Alexander, which is made of gin, dark creme de cacao and cream. I'm not sure how that combination goes well together, but maybe I'll try it in one of the next videos. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, share it, and stay tuned for more content. We'll be trying some new stuff, so see you in the next video. Thank you very much for your support. Bye bye.